how to repair the Imei for Huawei Y336-U02. We have here one model where we have damaged the Imei 1, as we are going to see now. As you can see, Imei 1 is damaged while Imei 2 is okay. So we are going to fix this. I'm going to use Furiousgold box and the SPD tool from the pack 2. We go to the debug mode and we select the model. And from here we select Imei BT relock. And for Imei 1 we choose Imei 0. For Imei 2 we select Imei 1 and so on. So let's fill here the original Imei. Now I'm going to press connect. Meanwhile we return to the phone and we power it off. So now let's insert the USB cable in the phone. And let's wait for the software to detect it and do its job. Okay, so the Imei got successfully repaired. So let's check this on the mobile. As you can see, the Imei is successfully repaired. In case you are looking for an unlock solution for this mobile, I'm glad to tell you that we have one private solution for more than 2 years for this model and all the other SPD models from Huawei. So in case you have a stock and you are interested, contact me in private over the forum. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye.